Here in front of me, I've got a new model from the brand TPC in a 1/64 scale. What information can we find on the box? Simulated allo car model. Yeah, it's a diecast car. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And on the back, the same as on the front and the side. Yes, let's take it out of the package. There we go. Comes in a nice display case. Not a super big fan of display cases. I prefer box package. Yes, I've said that many times. So here we have the display case and we can see TPC AMG. Wait. AMG limited to 999 pieces, and this is 693. Let's switch to detail camera. This is a very nice model from Mercedes. AMG performance here on the side. Last year I saw a Mercedes Benz with also this livery, these Mercedes Benz logos on the side. That was a Roadster. It looked really cool. So when I saw this model with that same look, I thought definitely need that car in my collection. Mercedes-Benz logos in the front. We got lanced headlights and lanced rear lights. Nice exhaust. Spoiler. Feels metal. But I think it's plastic. This here is also plastic, but this here is definitely metal. This is all metal. This is also metal. Let's have a look inside. Oh yeah, nice authentic steering wheel. I like that. With the Mercedes logo on it. Do we have some colored details? Nah, we don't. We don't have that. No, just a black interior with some racing seats, bucket seats. Okay, let's take it off the base. And then I hope it is metal. Yeah, the reason I don't like display cases. Perfect for displaying your car. I don't like this. There we go. Okay, we got rolling wheels. I'm not saying it is good rolling. You can see, yeah. See, this one is blocking when you go in reverse. But they're rolling. Side mirrors are also cool looking with the carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here on the back. Fuel cap on both sides. Or is it no fuel? Maybe it's electric car. That's also possible. But no, there is an exhaust. So that's not possible. Yeah. The wheels in the back look a little bit wider than the ones in the front. I like that. Yeah, this is also a downside when you have a display case, 2 holes. I'm not sure if it's a metal or a plastic base. Maybe something in between. Is that possible? For now, I'm saying it's metal. Yeah, it's metal. But definitely a cool looking car. Look at those rims. I like that. And forgot to mention, but nice profile on the tires. Very realistic car. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and let me know what you think about this car. Thanks for watching. Bye.